A good reputation is priceless. It's also a challenge as consumers take to social media to share and compare with friends and family what they think about the companies they do business with, whether buying a car, a home, or the person who manages their money. A new study reveals the importance of corporate social responsibility and what a company's reputation means to consumers and investors. Joining us now, Stephen Hahn Griffiths, Vice President and Managing Director of the Reputation Institute, a Boston-based think tank on corporate reputation, and Catherine Blades, Senior Vice President of Communications at Aflac, a company which has made the Ethisphere list of the world's most ethical companies 10 consecutive times and counting. Thank you both for being on the show today. Catherine, why did Aflac choose to do this study?
Angie, it's actually the second year we've done this study, and we did it again because the results the first time were so encouraging, and fortunately they're trending up. Both investors and consumers are paying attention to the things that are important. They're paying attention to your corporate social responsibility programs, and they're paying attention to your overall corporate reputation.
What are some of the key findings to the study?
Two of the more interesting had to do with investors. First of all, 4 in 5 investors will not buy your stock, and that's institutional and personal investors, if your company does not have a sound corporate social responsibility program. And subsequently, 3 of 4 consumers will not buy your products or services and will encourage others not to do so if they don't believe you're a good corporate citizen.
Stephen, as an expert on corporate reputation, how does being a responsible company affect profits?
It matters a lot, both economically and socially. Essentially, companies that have a strong reputation have a huge benefit to the bottom line. They tend to outperform the stock market, and ultimately they garner more support, not just from the consumers, but across all stakeholders, from amongst the media, amongst regulators, amongst the employees, amongst the investors, all the people that matter. So truly there's an economic benefit to strength of reputation. Companies that have it just do better and are more successful.
What did you use to determine whether a company has a good reputation or a bad reputation?
Well, we sort of deconstruct reputation to truly understand the emotional piece, the rational piece, and the behavioral piece. On the emotion, it's the degree to which you love the company. On the rational, there's sort of 7 underpinnings, dimensions. Examples being on the measures of innovation, governance, citizenship. All those things increasingly matter more. And then the behavioral piece is the degree to which you support that company as an outcome. So when you put all those things together, you have a true understanding of strength of reputation.
What should companies focus on when it comes to being socially responsible?
They should focus on making a difference and having a positive impact. People are looking for companies that step up to the plate in a time of crisis, but they're also looking for companies that have a long-term commitment to doing good. A great example of this is our partnership with the Aflac Cancer Center, which we've had for over 20 years, and we've donated $110 million during that time to the research and treatment of pediatric cancer. And that's what investors and consumers are looking for. They're looking for companies with that long-term commitment, but the ones who will also step up when it's necessary in times of crisis.
Thank you both for being on the show.
Thank you.
Thank you. All the best.